The EV6 is Kia's first all-electric vehicle that embodies its new design philosophy, inspired by nature, to create the future of mechanical modeling. On the front of the vehicle, the large headlamps and stylish grille in the center create a stunning design. The lower part of the bumper features a black, high-gloss finish to emphasize its high-tech appearance. Also, the top of the vehicle has a wide sunroof to give you a greater sense of freedom and openness. The dynamic welcome light turns on when you press the unlock button on your smart key before starting the vehicle or while the door is locked. The headlamp and LED rear combination lamps turn on to greet you when you approach the vehicle. Kia's first auto sensor outside handles automatically open when they detect the driver approach the car. In addition, touch sensors are installed on each handle so that the door handles open with just a touch. With NFC chips installed, you can also tap your phone to open the door handles. The silhouette lamp turns on when the driver approaches the vehicle with the smart key or presses the unlock button on the smart key. The bright lights on the side of the EV6 and spoiler illuminate the vehicle and nearby area to help you be aware of your surroundings. The EV6's high-beam headlamps provide excellent visibility when driving at night. Linked to the camera system, the intelligent headlamps detect oncoming vehicles and vehicles in front of you so that they can turn off the LEDs in the relevant areas to prevent glare and help other drivers drive safely at night. The EV6's interior design acts as an innovative new space that reflects Kia's new philosophy. The panoramic curved display, which combines the cluster and infotainment system screen, along with the slim dashboard, provides a wide driver-focused space with an unobstructed view. Unlike regular vehicles, the EV6 does not have an engine, so the cockpit has moved forward and become roomier, and the flat floor makes the interior more spacious. Overall, with a short overhang, long wheelbase, and low body, it has a distinctly more elegant design. In addition, although it features a C-segment body, its interior space is comparable to a D-segment body. Flat floor refers to a flattened floor in the front and rear seat area by removing the tunnel in the center of the car body by applying eGMP, a platform only used for electric vehicles. It not only secures more interior space, but also improves convenience when moving around inside the vehicle. For storage space, there is a large open console tray and a glove box with a smaller tray. Plus, there is a front trunk in the engine area with up to 52 liters of space for the two-wheel drive configuration and 20 liters of space for the all-wheel drive configuration. Now you can enjoy even more storage space. The rear seat comes with a sliding cup holder that also functions as an armrest. Pull the armrest forward and then pull the cover outward to use it as a cup holder. Slide the cover inward to use it as a storage compartment. In the EV6, you can switch between the infotainment system and the climate control system using the button located in the center of the operation system. Other than the buttons that require intuitive tactile operation while driving, such as media volume and indoor temperature, all the buttons are operated by touch. The space in the center of the vehicle is minimized, and like the latest electronic devices, an innovative image is implemented. In addition, the vehicle detects the fine dust concentration inside the vehicle in real time. If the fine dust concentration exceeds an acceptable level, air purification mode is automatically activated. You can use this function by pressing the climate control system's air purification button to keep the air in the vehicle pleasant. In the EV6, the air vents, which used to be located in the center of rear seats, are now installed in the B pillar, so now it's possible to provide rear seat passengers with a pleasant environment. In EV6, we've introduced a new user interface that's specially designed for electric vehicles. Themes are provided based on the drive mode. New content that complements the EV concept have been added, such as EV driving power distribution, scheduled charging, time info, and EV charge transfer settings. Plus, it includes indoor ambient lighting and blue light filter applications, and the cluster's functions have been upgraded. Let's look at the Bluetooth multi-connection function, which lets you connect to two devices at the same time. On the infotainment system screen, if you tap Settings, Phone Connection, Phone Connections, and Add New Buttons, the Add New Device screen will appear. Search for the vehicle name on the device you want and connect. After entering the passkey, the device connection is completed. Also, using the Media button on the control panel, you can easily switch the audio streaming device. The EV6 vehicle is installed with the UK's leading high-end audio system, the Meridian Premium Sound System. Among vehicles in the same class, the first 14-speaker system delivers sound close to the original sound, and IntelliQ, which automatically corrects the audio volume and sound quality based on changes to the vehicle's speed, and Horizon, which provides a sense of being in a concert hall with 3D sound. Meridian's unique sound effects deliver a rich tone and deep sense of space. Active sound design is a function that plays a driving sound inside the vehicle. Users can select a driving sound based on their preferences. When you go to Settings, Vehicle, and the Active Sound Design tab, you can adjust the volume to Enhanced, Normal, Soft, or Off. If you go to the Advanced Settings tab, you can select between Stylish, Dynamic, or Cyber for the driving sound. In the Custom Sound tab, detailed volume and accelerator pedal response settings are available. Driving safety settings provide a safe driving environment for drivers. You can go to the Settings, Vehicle, and the Driver Assistance tab to set various functions. Forward Safety Assist recognizes obstacles and prevents collisions while driving. Lane Safety Assist prevents lane departure. Blind Spot Safety Assist recognizes vehicles behind you in other lanes and prevents collisions. Safe Exit Assist recognizes vehicles approaching from behind so that passengers can exit safely after stopping. Intelligent Speed Limit Assist uses road sign recognition data and navigation data to monitor your speed. Driver Attention Warning promotes safe driving by identifying your driving patterns and time behind the wheel. For the above functions, detailed settings related to warnings are available in each tab. The EV6 seats are approximately 30% thinner and lighter than other seats thanks to their GigaSteel reinforced back frame. This creates more space for rear seat passengers. Auto relaxation seats are installed for the driver and front seat passenger. When you press the auto relaxation seat switch, a message will appear on the infotainment system screen to ask if there's enough space in the rear seat. After checking, pressing the button again will activate the auto relaxation seat feature. It disperses the pressure and supports your body in a gravity-free position. The seat adjustment switch allows for fine adjustment of the seat position. The folding function of rear seats operates when the lever on the rear seat or trunk is pulled. It allows you to fold the seat back and maximize the space available for luggage in the back of the vehicle. The V2L function allows you to use home appliances and electronic devices in various environments, such as outdoor activities and camping. You can use up to 80% of the battery's maximum capacity. This is enough power for a family of 4 for approximately 5 days. However, for safety reasons, it cannot be used while charging. It can be used when the vehicle is stopped while driving or in EV mode. You can use the indoor V2L port located under the rear seat. Or, after connecting to the V2L connector, you can use the vehicle's external charging port. EV tires have been added to the EV6. By applying low rolling resistance tires, the actual driving distance has improved. And and wear resistance has been improved for driving under high torque and high load conditions. In addition, to regulate the road noise, sound-absorbing material has been attached to prevent driving noise from making passengers uncomfortable. The EV6 is the first to implement the E4-wheel drive system, and by engaging and disengaging the front-wheel drive motor, it automatically switches to two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive as needed. This improves the vehicle's straight driving safety and curve handling. This increases safety on snowy, rainy, and sandy roads and improves energy efficiency. The rear-wheel main drive system was developed for Kia electric automobiles. By applying the driving motor hairpin winding technology and the inverter SiC power module, it achieves high efficiency and mileage improvements for the driving system. And by applying a high-speed drive motor, integrated system, and oil cooling system, it achieves high torque and high output, improved cooling performance, and a more compact drive system. Kia's first all-electric vehicle, the EV6, offers excellent value to consumers. For long-range driving, the driving range on a single charge is up to 475 kilometers with an 800-volt super high-speed charger. The time needed to charge the battery from 10% to 80% has been reduced to less than 18 minutes. Additionally, by including a heat pump that efficiently utilizes waste heat generated by the heater in winter, the driving distance in winter has also been increased. Smart Regeneration System 2.0 is a function that automatically adjusts the amount of regenerative braking based on the traffic ahead and navigation map info. First, if you pull the right paddle shift for 1 second, the regenerative braking icon will be displayed as auto. The color changes when a vehicle is ahead or a speed camera is detected, and the amount of regenerative braking automatically increases or decreases to facilitate efficient driving. I-pedal is a driving mode that allows you to accelerate, decelerate, and stop using only the accelerator pedal. In level 3 of regenerative braking, if you pull the left paddle shift lever, the I-pedal function will turn on, and the instrument cluster will display the word I-pedal. When the I-pedal function is on, if you pull the right paddle shift lever or shift to drive after shifting to reverse, the I-pedal function will turn off, and level 3 of regenerative braking will resume. The EV6 uses an 800-volt super high-speed charger, as well as conventional high-speed chargers without a separate device, as it has a multi-charging system. Thanks to the patented technology in our eGMP platform, you can charge the battery by boosting the voltage from 400 volts to 800 volts by operating the vehicle's motor as a charger. A door for the electric charging port, along with accutators and controllers, has been added and can be opened and closed with the button on the bottom of the crash pad. And the LED lamp level indicates the charge level and charging mode status. When charging, noise may occur due to the operation of air conditioner compressor and cooling fan used for battery cooling, but this is normal. The charge level is displayed in 4 levels. It takes 1.5 seconds for the charging door to open and to close. It can be opened and closed through Kia Connect, too.